Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our weekly AI News Roundup. This week has been buzzing with some exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. News 1. Vast Data's funding. First up, we have Vast Data, the New York-based startup which provides a scale-out, unstructured data storage solution designed to eliminate tiered storage, has landed a whopping $118 million funding to grow its data storage platform for AI workloads. News 2. Next, we have Respeecher. The Ukrainian synthetic voice startup is finding success despite not just bombs raining down on their city, but a wave of hype that has raised up sometimes controversial competitors. They've locked in new funding with their ethics-first approach to AI voice cloning. News 3. Meta AI updates. Meta AI, the company's generative AI experience, is gaining new capabilities starting today, including the ability to create new AI images when they've also added real support and Imagine, a way to generate new AI images in group chats and more. News 4. Google's Gemini and Bard. Google has been busy this week with two major updates. First, Google Bard, the company's generative AI chatbot and ChatGPT rival, is getting an update today that the company claims will significantly enhance its capabilities. Second, Google's long-promised next-gen generative AI model, Gemini, has arrived. News 5. Last but not least, we have Liquid AI, an MIT spin-off co-founded by robotics luminary Daniela Rus, aims to build general-purpose AI systems powered by a relatively new type of AI model called a liquid neural network. And that's a wrap for this week's AI News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your weekly dose of tech news. Stay curious, stay